Welcome to JH. Honeywarm claims to be a compact yet powerful space heater capable of warming any room in seconds while using almost no energy. It promises ultra-fast heating, whisper-quiet performance, and precise temperature control to keep you cozy all winter long. But is Honeywarm actually a breakthrough in thermodynamics, or just another plastic box with a loud fan? Many people are wondering if this gadget is actually legit, so stay with me until the end as we break it all down. Let's start with the first red flag, the product images. When we looked closer, we noticed many of them were just lifted from random sources across the internet. Because nothing says cutting-edge technology like using someone else's Google image results. Authentic brands usually bother to take their own photos, but apparently, the Honeywarm team was too busy innovating to pick up a camera. Next up is the classic high-pressure sales tactic. The website offers a massive 70% discount, but, shocker, it's only available for today. This kind of fake urgency is designed to make you stop thinking and start clicking before your common sense kicks in. If a discount looks this good, it's usually because the product isn't worth the remaining 30% either. Then we have the flashy feature list, ultra-fast heating, and energy-saving design. It sounds amazing on paper, but there is absolutely zero proof to back it up. There are no verified reviews or real-world demos showing this tiny thing actually outperforming a standard heater. It's essentially the superhero of appliances, provided your definition of a superhero is something that only exists in a marketing script. Customer support is another area where things get chilly. The website proudly claims that customer satisfaction is their #1 priority, yet they only provide a single email address for contact. No phone number, no live chat, and no physical address. It's comforting to know that if your heater stops working, your only recourse is to send an email into the digital void and hope for the best. Finally, let's talk about those glowing 5-star reviews on their own website. They look perfect, but when you check independent platforms like Trustpilot, there's absolutely nothing. This lack of independent feedback is a massive red flag. Based on the stolen images, the suspicious discounts, and the phantom support, Honeywarm seems more like a gamble than a purchase. You're much better off sticking with a trusted brand that actually exists in the real world. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep your wallet safe from these miracle gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.